Ever wonder how many nuclear explosions have happened throughout history since we created the bomb? I got this video here by Business Insider. Every nuclear bomb explosion in history. It's very short. Hang out. Let's watch it. Not much. Oh, there's no audio, so I'll just comment. Nuclear weapons. All right, so 45 is the first one. And then we drop one on Hiroshima, Nagasaki. And then we started testing. And then Russia started testing. And then we tested some more. Tested more. So we're gonna pause it. Wait, right there. So 10 years in, there's been 70, 80, 90, almost 100 explosions in 10 years. So 10 years. Yeah, one every year. That on average. And then we start accelerating 20 in 1 year in just the U.S. Look at this map. Wait, Africa? I wonder what that story was. Anyone got any history on that? What's the link? Leave me a link below. What was that? Or is that? Whoa! What was all that? 144? Where was all? In Russia? Wow. Ugh. All right, so 1960 things went crazy in America, and before that in Russia. This is insane. Is that the side? Everybody's just dropping nukes in the 60s. Oh, no wonder why. Dude, look at that. No wonder why people were so freaked out in the 60s. Jesus. So 1970, they're just going everywhere. That's insane. Dude, what is this? It just keeps getting worse. Look at this. Like, what do you do with all this nuclear waste everywhere? Everywhere. What do you do with it? Jesus. So we just passed, what, 30 years? 850? Wow. Like, jeez. I lost count. Okay, so what happens? All right, we're at the Carter administration, and now we get into Reagan. What happens? Quite a bit. Quite a bit. Oh. That's crazy. I'm assuming it's going to start slowing down. Yeah. And it's just... Well, they start going again. So we're getting to Bush Senior. Slow down. All right. And then we keep doing it. And a couple other people keep doing it. China starts doing it. So we just stopped. Okay. Just stopped. 2009. Over 2,000. Well over 2,000. That's insane. That's a lot of bombs. That's a lot of nuclear waste. Why? I mean, I get it. Deterrence. Walk softly, carry a big stick, but that's insane. An animation showing the evolution of nuclear weapons. Should I do a reaction to that video? Let me know in the comments below. Check out like, share, subscribe. Check out everything in the description and hang out and watch some other videos. Did you think there was that many? Did you think there was more? 2,000. That's a lot. Now that I think of it, maybe it could have been more. I don't know. That seems like a freaking lot, man. That's a lot of explosions. Wow. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video.